In today's video, I'll show you how to pay someone using PayPal's Goods and Services option, which is one of the safest ways to send money when you're buying something or paying for a service. To get started, open your web browser and go to the PayPal website. Once the page loads, click the Login button in the top corner and sign in using your email address and password. If you don't have a PayPal account yet, you'll need to create one before continuing. After logging in, you'll land on your PayPal dashboard. Look for the option that says Pay or Get Paid and click on it. From the available choices, select Send Payments to begin the process. Next, you'll be asked to enter the email address of the person you're sending money to. Make sure the email is correct and linked to their PayPal account. Then enter the amount you want to send and take a moment to double-check the details before moving on. Click Next and you'll be prompted to choose the payment type. This is an important step. Select Goods and Services to indicate that the payment is for a product or service. This option helps protect both the buyer and the seller if something goes wrong with the transaction. Once that's done, click Continue. Now you'll need to choose how you want to pay. You can use your PayPal balance, a linked bank account, or a debit or credit card. Pick the option that works best for you. Finally, review everything one last time and confirm the payment. PayPal will process the transaction and send you a confirmation message along with an email receipt for your records. And that's how you pay someone using PayPal Goods and Services. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.